Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how to ask better questions in ChatGPT using 3 simple tips. Tip number 1, be specific. The more details you give, the more helpful ChatGPT can be. Instead of asking, where should I travel? Try something like, we're a retired couple looking for a relaxing 5-day trip in the US this spring. We enjoy quiet nature spots, light walking, and good food. That's clear and focused, and it gives ChatGPT something real to work with. As you can see, the results are somewhat detailed. They give you the 3 suggestions for the cities, Sedona, Asheville, and Carmel by the Sea. They are a little bit lacking in the detail, and you might be thinking, well, this isn't quite enough information. That brings us to the next tip. Number 2, give ChatGPT a role. This helps set the tone and type of answer you get. You could say, act as a travel planner. That way, the response sounds like it's coming from someone who knows the job. The third tip is ask for the format you want. So for example, you could say, list 3 destinations and what we can do in each. Now let's put all of that together into one full prompt. Act as a travel planner. We're a retired couple looking for a relaxing 5-day trip in the US this spring. We enjoy quiet nature spots, light walking, and good food. List 3 destinations and what we can do in each. You'll get a much more helpful answer this time than just the light response that we got previously. So as you can see now, we're getting a lot more detail here. So destination 1 is Jackson Hole, and it gives us everything that we can do for the 5 days that we want to visit. So it gives examples for each day. The next one is Sonoma Valley. It also gives us a 5-day itinerary. And the third one is Bar Harbor, Maine. So this time it met all the requirements and it gave us a lot more detail. And this will help us plan our trip more effectively and choose which destination is best for us. So let's try 2 other examples. So the first one is for families. So we're going to ask it to ask as a family travel expert. I'm planning a 1-week summer vacation for 2 parents and 2 kids ages 8 and 12. We like museums, animals, and outdoor fun. Suggest 3 family-friendly U.S. destinations with kid-friendly things to do and keep the daily cost under $100. So now we'll get our 3 responses. Washington, D.C., with lots of museums that we can go to for free. San Antonio, Texas, and it also has free activities we can do, as well as some ideas for how we can keep the cost low for food and for lodging. And the third is Rapid City, South Dakota. And again, there's a lot of parks and stuff we can do for free. And it also gives suggestions for how we can keep our costs low for lodging and for food. Our last example is for solo travelers. So act as a luxury travel guide. I'm a solo traveler in my 40s looking for a 4-day cultural trip in Europe this fall. I like exclusive experiences and trying things that are typically limited to locals. Recommend 3 cities with activities and booking suggestions. So now we'll get our 3 cities in Europe, and it'll give us the activities that we can do that are a little more exclusive, and it'll provide the booking instructions for those activities. So the first is Sevilla, Spain, and the activities are a private flamenco and tapas night, a tile painting workshop, and a palace early access tour. And then the second is Vienna, Austria. And then the third is the Netherlands. Now that we have these answers, we can more easily evaluate the options and book our trip. The 3 tips that you need to remember are be specific, give ChatGPT a role, and ask for the format you want. Try using these tips next time you open ChatGPT and see how much better your answers get. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.